Thank you. I thank the Honorable Pili for the question. This area is a population of 400 to 500 residents. There is an approved service timetable for Vuda Vaivai and licensed carrier operating from Vuda. Unfortunately, the irregular bus services can be attributed to road conditions. We are looking into that. There is a Irish crossing and also a rise near that which needs major cuts in terms of access, especially for large vehicles. The other issue is the issuance of route authority licenses, route authority letters. Sorry, this is normally issued by the municipal council, which limits the scope of services to be extended. We are looking at licensed carriers in order to assist with that, given the I suppose the number of passengers which at the moment are unable to from the bus operators to sustain the bus operations. So LT and in consultation with the community is looking at licensed carriers which can operate more adaptable vehicles for these communities, and also the municipal council regarding the issues with the road licenses, and working closely with FRE and to in terms of the upgrade of that road. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Honourable Minister. There are any